How many times you got a flat tire and you didn't know how to fix it? Today we are going to see how to fix a flat tire and in any case how to change the tire on a road bike. And we are also going to discover some tricks. First of all, what we need? For sure we need some plastic levers like this that you can bring with you in your pocket or somewhere. In case we have to change the tire, obviously we need a tire, and it's important when you go out for your ride, you bring with you a spare tube. Okay, let's go. We have our wheel. In this case, it's not flat. Now it looks like flat. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to push the bead in the middle of the rim. This is important because this will help you when you have to dismount the tire. You see? This way. Awesome. Okay, now we take our levers, one, and the second one approximately 10-15 centimeters each other. So you push down the first one and the second one in this way, you see? Then you use this one, you take out this one, and with the second you push in this way, see? Now, as you can see, the first bead is completely out. What we have to do? In this case, we have the tube. We pull out the tube like this. See? You can see you have your tube. In case you have a puncture in the tube, it's no problem. You take it away, you throw away, and you use a new one. It's much more simple. Remember, you can save the tube. If you have a small puncture, you can repair it and use as a safety tube for the next time. So now we are going to see how to change the tire. When you have the first side of the bead open, you take the tire in this way, you pull and the tire come out. You see, very simple. Okay, here we have our new tire. First of all, you have to check if the tire that you are going to use have the direction, because sometimes have the direction, it depends on the trade. In this case of the GT Strada, don't have direction because it's made in a way that you can use it. You can use in the different direction. It's not really a big problem. We go to fix and to fit. It's exactly you have to do in this way. You put on the side down and you see it starts to become tight and tuck, the tire is in. Okay? Now we take our tube, we start from the valve in this way. It's good if you block a little with the screw in this way. Not a lot, that can move, but it don't jump out. Now, as before, we have to put the tube inside the tire first, at this point, and then we have to put the tube in the rim. It's important this point that you take attention that it's inside the rim, or when you go to fit, you have the risk that you can make a puncture with the levers. Okay. Now we go to fix. So as before, we put inside. You start from the valve, because the valve in this point it's like a rim lock. So it blocks the tire that help you to fix the remaining parts. So in this way, see? We arrive at this point, as you can see. When you are on the road, you can use some water to help you to jump inside the tire. This will make a little more easy if you are not expert. But in any case, you have to check that the tire is in the middle of the rim, because this makes the tire a little less tight. So, see, tack, is in. The job is done. We have only to inflate air. You can use a normal pump. I have this compressor that I bought on internet. It's really useful. Okay, now the tire is inflated. We fix the screw of the valve in this way, and we put the fire. And as you've seen, can be really a simple job. It's not so difficult. So we have our new tire ready to be used. Hasta luego, compañeros.